Shubor nakaslem jong Nongsan Hima.
Kajalla kan pha hadu sau phulai ngut kinong yele kai kibanlet Shim Bynta ha ka Khelo India Youth Games ar phulai kaban long ha Bhopal Madhya Pradesh kaban sedang nadu ka laipway terik mentau benai bat kaban kot ha ka khatway terik urumphang kini ki sau phulai ngut kinong yele kai kini Shim Bynta ha ki khandai tadi ki jing yele kai ibakan thop ya ka archery, athletics, judo, swimming, shooting, yogasana, tennis, football, kayaking bat canoeing. Kumba kapau ka football kadi ka kanhon ka balala ban yale kai bahau snam balala ha ka ba kawan ha ka kerdan balai kat ba ka kayaking bat canoeing lambat ka yogasana kidi ki jing yale kai badang thammai ha po ka jilla iban le Shim Bynta ha ka te ka lumpong ka ban panlong the Sports Authority of India ha ka te ka jilla. Nakaliang katanat yale akay jong kasorkar jilla kala panlong ya kajing yalang ban ay kajing kerkru ket bok ket riang ya kite kinoy yale akay ha kasingi balang hamadan third ground polo ha kabalaya don lang u principal secretary katanat fisheries but water resource u Dr. Shakil P kumjo u director katanat yale akay u V Agarwal working president ka MSOA ba John F Karshiye u assistant director ba PW Nongri ba Ailat Kinta bat Kiwei. Nakaliang Dr. Shakil lambat u Agarwal kila ay kublay kitbok ya kini ki khana bakin yale akay bha khanang magin na banwan ra nam bat buram ya ka jallahi baro kawai
Shuang pengkreat yang negatif kat saya ke trail open trail nang ta baro ki sports association po state jong ki limbaga MFA ngap hak tip ki baro ki clubs ki cakap per jong state ni kendok selection trail ha ka khadru hingga selection trial tinggi IGAP shot tinggi practice ni sedang di Leit jong Januari di metu Leit Januari ni continue ka jikam hidup mentah kan di tim jumi kami mentai apa terik saja tentang tim post dia pada kuitrik yang bedai pat ka fixture pat ka program jumi bedai bersetis po turnamen jumi ni pat la tip ni kita di post tim selap new fixture lagi hoi kembali pengkreat ke tim mencim selam ngim ka tim jumi ni yo tim khlan yo tingi borok ki Benda kita ay nak jumi kita ay bahaba nadu kita nadu defense na bro tahu bro itu position kita ay bahaba macam selam dia sulung jarkan ni snibok na ka final bunyi program tie breaker dia hero pula juga tim bunyi dan macam selam dia waktu ni ke tim komentar ngejungi kalau bunyi lapang kreat ni kan ni ke tim ke pemutuna juga mengenai ini lapang kreat ni kami pair bukan di tim bunyi kreat macam senam kan syong pada ki kena apa bikin bila kai bang tu mereka pun berjing community dia ingin push khmat pun belum jadi kena bila kai juga di community push
kerja i battling jimakri ada disiplin atletik and ngamare saus pamita de sah bosai STC Shillong nehu de kat kum kajing yo jang ni Khelo India tennis men namar ba Khelo India te ka jinjar hi ka ban yo menro bo Khelo India man ka long kum ba tough game ma menro de ne lingba ka jing kat khu jong play hi bangila ban boy ka dia ma ka thong te ngamla ban ong ma ba la ban job ne nom job ha ka Khelo India tang ba ngan ya le bet kat bangala ngan fight bet ma se adis tang bangan improve ka timing jongaru namar ngan improve ya ka e ka bangamare mensualong tangan kam improve shu se ngale ni ka game te kat kum ka jingyo medal te ngala kat ka jingyo medal te ngan sa joy storm shu la dang yo ta te ngan sa boy hi ha we ka si sha ka thong ka bang atmu tang ba suki namar kat kum ka jing joy storm bat ning ba jong te ba shu
Nyngkong ni ngoban ai ngu blai sia bangi long kumne kumang long bat ni ai ku blai ro ya ka director of sport bagan ka pha ngi bang le Shim ta ya Khelo India ka long Bhopal te ka jing pengkreat ro ka diga jumi lai prepare na banta bang Shim ta rai wala ka taruh ngin kermen bang ngin keju so juga jimjak lomba ngin Kristo tentang ngin yelik isim tak kendai ngut bet ngila ya kre im ta sipor kayak ngin kermen bang so juga jimjak.
My name is Angelina Jackson. I'm from athletics and I'm going to run 200 meters in Khelo India Youth Games 2023. My preparation is going well. I practice in Sai, Kokrajar, and now I'm here for practicing with my team and we're going to leave on Sunday. Like Khelo India is a very tough game. I'm not sure if I'll get a medal, but I'm going to try my best for a medal.
See, in kayaking, there's several divisions. So we are doing slalom, canoe slalom. So that is down the whitewater rapids, and you have to go between the poles and not touch the poles. It's different to flatwater sprinting.
Yes.
So this is the first time for slalom, canoe slalom, first time. Oh, we have two boys going, one in K1, one in C1, and they got very good chance either to win or get a place. Both from one's from Umtam, Riboy, and the other one is from Lauberwa, Riboy.
Yogasana is actually, we are doing yoga in Meghalaya since last 15 years, and we are just training the citizens mostly for how to being well and to being fit. But recently in 2020 it has come up that can be a sports event as Yogasana, only asana, not in pranayam and all. So it has been taken up in sports, and we have been immediately formed under the banner of National Yogasana Sports Federation. We got affiliated with them and affiliated presently with Indian Olympics Association. Directly we got the affiliation through them, and our process going on with Meghalaya Yogasana Sports, Meghalaya Olympic Association. And this is the first time that we have got this wildcard entry, and two participants from our state, from West Garo Hills and East Khas Hills, are participating in this. One is Dhruwajit Sharma and is Vikas Chandra. Attended the national championship. Yogasana championship is in Maharashtra Sangamer, and there our team have performed very well. Though we couldn't get any medals, but it was very competitive they have done. So out of that only we feel that it can be, but a little bit of problem because in wildcard entry the selection has been done from Delhi. It's not from our side. So a little bit of upset we are, because we could have known the players better than them, but we didn't get. So a little bit of worry we have.